What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here, and this video is going to be on how I see results fast in Amazon FBA. So after I put this video out right here, I had a few people hit me up and was like, "Hey man, how do you get results so fast inside Amazon FBA?" I've been doing it for the last 5 months, or another person, I've been doing this for a year, and I haven't been able to see results like that. How do I see results with that? How do I start making money like that? And it's actually very simple, guys. Put in 100%, right? Like, since I started doing this whole Amazon FBA stuff, I haven't taken any of the money out. Like, literally, every single penny that I've spent on Amazon FBA has stayed in Amazon FBA. All right, so every time we get a paycheck, of all our profit and stuff like that, that goes literally right back into the business. So step one is stop taking money from your business. You have to put in 100%, okay? And I don't care if you have other bills. I mean, it's just that simple. Life doesn't care. So you need to go out and find another income source. I don't care if you got to go and actually get a regular 9 to 5 job for third shift, and hit Goodwills during the day. Get you a nap before you go to work, and then do that for a month. Like, you're gonna have to suffer. I mean, not suffer, but sacrifice when it comes to doing this here. It's just that simple. Starting a business and running a business and all this stuff, guys, it's not for everyone. That's why 9 out of 10 people fail at this. It's just that simple. You cannot force this to happen. Like, you have to just build it up. Like, this is building a business, especially with this whole Amazon FBA stuff here. You got to build the business up, right? And we only started out with a couple $100, and we just literally just kept putting in 100% though. And you see what happens when you put in 100%, 100%, 100%, 100%, 100%, 100%. You grow the maximum fastness, right? Like, I mean, no matter what, you can't get better than 100%. If you're putting in literally everything that you have, you're going to grow the absolute fastest. And that's, in this case, your money. So if you go and you take half of the money out, oh, I got to pay this, or I got to pay that, or I got to pay that. And instead of putting in $500 this week, you put in $100 this week because you got to pay all these other bills. Now you're not going to grow that fast. You put in $100 a week. That's just how it is, guys. Put in 100%, right? Another thing is sacrifice. Like, if you go to my YouTube channel here, right, and you go for the last, 2 years or whatever, like, you'll see just sacrifice, and you'll see everything that I've been through over the last 2 or 3 years here since I got started, right? You got to sacrifice, right? I'm not attached to any of this stuff. Like, this computer right here costs more than my first car. Like, the only thing I wouldn't get rid of is my cat, right? And the crazy is, he costs more than my first car. Like, that's crazy, right? But, like, other than that, like, I would get rid of TVs. I would get rid of the computer. I would get rid of game systems. I would get rid of everything so I can put all that back into the business, especially like Amazon FBA. Like, if I didn't have the money, I would definitely sell all this shit quick. Just like that. No hesitation. Downgrade. Cars, sold. Go buy me a cheap-ass beater van for like $500, and then just take all the money that I got and then just buy everything I possibly can, with the money that I have, all right? And then I would just, send all that stuff into Amazon FBA, and then I would just chill. I would put in massive work, or however long it took to spend all the money that I had, literally every penny, send that into Amazon FBA, and do that over and over for like 2 months. And if you have like $5,000 and you do that, and you literally take every single penny over and over and over and over, and you keep doing that, you're going to grow really fucking fast. Like, I mean, it's literally just that simple, right? I even made a video, was like a week ago, saying $1,000 is the magic number. It really is, right? So if you, again, it's just that simple. Sacrifice. A lot of people, oh, I don't have $100 for a course, or I don't have $1,000 for a course, or I don't have money for this, or I don't have money for that. Watch me do it. I'll sell all that shit quick. See that? Right? Like, all that came from sacrificing and not listening to people who had no idea what the hell they were talking about. Right? And this was with CPA marketing right here. This didn't do Amazon FBA. But you see, $39,000 in 6 days. I never would have hit numbers like that, you know, if I was still listening to other people who had no idea what they're talking about, or simply just wouldn't sacrifice, guys. You got to sacrifice. It is what it is, right? Again, I will sacrifice more shit than damn near anybody. Watch me do it. This house, gone. Like, cause I'm not attached to any of this stuff, right? If I've really found a really, really, really good opportunity like that, and I just didn't have the budget for it, obviously my house wouldn't be the first thing I put on the market. But I put on the table or whatever. But I would sell quick. I would go knocking doors, cutting grass, or whatever it took, so that way I can get back on my feet. Like, you can't have, the pride of a lion, when you are literally down in the fucking dirt. It's just that simple. You're going to have to do shit that you don't want to do. Oh, I'll never work at McDonald's. Watch me get back there and flip them fucking patties. Quick. Because I know once I get that paycheck, that's all they're going to say. All it takes is 1 or 2 paychecks. That's it. That's all I need. 1 or 2 paychecks, and I'm going to be right back on my feet. And you guys can do the exact same things. This is it. You have to put in 100%, and you got to be willing to sacrifice. That's it. And again, it's not like we put in a crap ton of money. I only put in a couple $100, and then you just take that and you just don't touch it. Keep putting in 100%. Put in another 100%. Put in another 100%. Put in another 100%. Right? And then if you're doing the Goodwill method that I told you guys to do, you literally can go out and get stuff damn near free at the Goodwill. Right? Like this right here, for example. I picked this up for $8, right? They wanted $13 for it, but I got that little $5 coupon thing or whatever. Spent $8 for it, and that thing is literally selling for $170 online, and it's brand new. So I'll get $130 in profit from $8. This right here, I spent $5 for this. Well, I don't know if you guys will be able to see any of those, but I spent $5 for that. That's selling for like $150, and profit is around like $120 or $140 or something like that. Basically, like $100 something, and I only spent $5 for that. So for $13, I got $200 plus in profit. And all it took was me just literally walking into the store, beep, 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 scanning, walk right out. It's not like you were doing anything hard when it comes to Amazon FBA. Literally anyone can do Amazon FBA. That there really isn't like any person that can't say, oh, I can't do Amazon. How? Why not? You go to Walmart every week to go grocery shopping. Why not? Why can't you literally pop in 10 minutes and just do a little bit of scanning? Take an extra 20 minutes, do a little bit of scanning. On lunch breaks, instead of hanging out and talking with friends and all that stuff, watch some YouTube videos. Instead of driving to work and listening to music, listen to like some inspirational quotes, inspirational speeches and stuff like that. I just want it bad. That's simple. That's it. Like, that's the only reason I'll see results quick in businesses, because I want it. Like, I'm hungry. That's it. That's literally the only difference between me and, other people. And there are people who are doing it way better than me. They want it more than I do. It's just that simple. They're working harder than me. They found, they didn't find, but they worked hard and they got strategies that I don't have, right? I'm not going to like, oh man, I can never get like them. Yes, you can. The best part about marketers is that just about every single marketer will tell you exactly what they're doing. I mean, they'll obviously charge you for it, but they'll tell you exactly what they're doing. You go to a marketer right now that's making $100,000 a month, they'll be like, oh, okay, bring me $5,000, bring me $10,000. I'll tell you exactly what I'm doing. That's simple. Like, literally, that's it. That's all you need to do. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. Hopefully this helped you guys out, gave you some inspiration, or gave you a little more deeper, whatever. I don't know. But I mean, like, again, hopefully this helped you guys out, and made you quit the whole, not getting serious about this. I mean, that's really what it comes down to. It's like, are you serious about it? Are you willing to sacrifice all of this stuff? And again, don't worry about what other people think. The only people who worry about what broke people think are broke people. I used to be right there. Oh, what if so and so doesn't like my car? What if so and so thinks I don't have any money because I sold this? Or what if fuck them? They're not paying your bills. They're not doing any of that. Like if they aren't paying your bills, they don't have any. Their opinion doesn't matter. I'm just keeping it 100. Like I mean, I'll take it in consideration or whatever. But if you aren't paying my bills, like I mean, what else is there? Like there's nothing else to say. You aren't paying my bills. But again, I'm in it now. Hopefully you guys, got some inspiration and stuff out of this, and you just see how far I'm willing to go to make this stuff work. Like again, I want to be, a multi millionaire. Like so, I gotta be on the computer all the time. I gotta go out and do all of this stuff. I have to make this stuff work. You know what I'm saying? Like I have a really big goal that I want to accomplish. But again, pretty much it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.